Hello everybody. Welcome to Rich Life Insider, a place where successful people come together to get inspired. So today I'm going to talk about how to look up any stocks online and information you can do some. So yeah, let's check it out. Look at this. Today is a nice day. I made $862 in a day. I started as 8,000 and 7 months ago, and now I'm at 40,000. So yeah, it's it's great. It's been great so far. The U.S. has the longest bull market right now, and S&P 500 is about 2,000. Uh, 896, so it's gonna hit 3000 very soon. So today the topic, let's get to our topic. Okay, how do you look up stocks? So the easiest way is go to Google. There are some other ways to do it, but this is gonna be for basic information for the beginners. And so the easiest way is go to Google, Facebook. Let's say we want to look at Facebook stock. Let's type in Facebook stock price, and it's going to show you information on Facebook. Look at this Facebook stock for today. It's up 1.62% US dollars, $2.82, and close August 27th. So which is today. It's listed on Nasdaq. And what are these information? So these informations are shows that at what price did Facebook open. Facebook was open at 175.99, and the day highest was 178, and this is the day lowest. And what is the market cap? Market cap is simply the price times is multiplied with the shares outstanding. So P ratio, price divided by earnings, is 24.52. It's not bad. It's not too expensive, and like Netflix or Google or Netflix or Amazon. This is the previous day close. How much did they close like last Friday? 174.64. 52 weeks high is basically in 1 year what price was the highest did Facebook reach, and this is the lowest price that did Facebook reach. And you can play around with it to see 5 days. In 5 days it jumped from 172 to 178. 1 month, 6 months, you see that there was a big drop. It was running up to 218. Then after that it dropped, because there was an earning miss. The miss after the earning. So year to date, it's not doing that well. Facebook, it used to be really great in 2 years ago, in 2016 to 2017. It doubled the stock price. You look at it, you see 2016, 104, and at the beginning of 2016 it was 104.66. And let's go to at the end of 2016. At the beginning of 2017, yes. No, I think I would say it's from the beginning of 2017. Yeah, 2015. It doubles the stock price over 2000. In 2015 to 2016. Yes, 2015 is only let's see, $78. And let's see 2016. 104. So it takes a little bit more than 1 year to double the price. That's not bad. If you look at the trends, it's uptrending. Let's go to another stock, which is uh, Google stock price. It's okay. So these are basically the opening price high. The P ratio is a little bit higher, 33.74. So this is more expensive stock than Facebook. And 52-week high is 1291. So 52 weeks low is 919. That's not move that much. Google stock does not move at all very often. So I do not buy Google stock, even though that's a great company, over a long term. You see, Facebook is better than Google, so 150 to 218. That's not bad. And if you go to Netflix, yeah, look at it. It's 1 year 164 to now the high is 423. It's more than double in just 1 year. This is incredible, but it's also very expensive stock. If you look at the P ratio is 153 and 47. Market cap is 150 billions, and Google is 857 billions. And of course, the bigger the company, the price increase gets lower. Netflix, and then after that it's gonna be Amazon. Amazon is also expensive. Look at this 175.08, and Netflix 153. Amazon is even more expensive, but you know why it's more expensive? Because investors are willing to pay for the price, because they in future they think that this stocks gonna go up. So it's not always a bad thing to be expensive stock, and it's not always a good thing to be cheap stock, because cheap, there is a reason why it's cheap. Why it's a low price. I would say low price, not cheap. uh, the price is what you pay, as I mentioned in the previous videos before. If you do not know the difference between the price and the value, and so go check out the previous video that I made. The price is what you pay, the value is what you get. So basically this PE is basically what you are paying. Earning is what you get, price is what you pay. And it's expensive. And look at Apple. The Apple gives you dividends. So this is a dividend yield. What does it mean? It means that how much dividends it pays out in a year divided by the price of the stock at this moment. So it's pay 1.34% at this price point. Apple is also listed on Nasdaq. If you see NYSE, so basically it's listed on New York Stock Exchange. Nasdaq is mainly the technology company. And 149, 52 is low is 149.16. High is 219. That's not bad. I think P ratio is quite reasonable. It's only 18.91. Which is why Warren Buffett buys this stock a lot. Yeah, cool. Cool. It's pretty cool. So you can see all the stock you want. You can just Google it. It can be any stock. Let's look at Pepsi. Coke. Let's look at Coke stock. Coca-Cola. So basically, this Coca-Cola is listed on Nasdaq too. It doesn't move much. If you look at the trend of the stocks, dividend is only 0.6%. A P ratio is really expensive. If you just look at it this way, there's a PepsiCo stock. Dividend is much higher, 3.3%. The price moved from 95 to 1 to 22. Not so much exciting, but it provides you more income, regular income, stable. It's predictable. That's not fluctuate much, but you can make quite money on a dividend. And the P ratio is pretty low, 2052. Yeah, this is how you find this stock online. It's pretty quick. There are other ways to find. Okay, this is the reason why I want to show you this stock. It's because NYSE is listed on New York Stock Exchange. So it's a different stock exchange. Now dividend is pretty nice, and P ratio is 14.17. It's not bad. Okay, yeah. So that's it for today. Make sure you subscribe my channel, and yeah, I will see you next time. So if you are, if, make sure you share this video, you share the love, so that your friends can learn something from this video. I'm pretty much busy. I try to make the videos once a week, so make sure you subscribe my channel. Yeah, it's 1 a.m. in the morning, but I want to help you. I want to help you get rich. I want you to make money in the stock market. So yeah, even though it's over midnight, so I still want to make videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Make sure you subscribe. Bye bye.